In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play with controller on PC Warzone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Any modern Call of Duty title released on PC has full controller support, including Warzone as well. And you can connect any type of controller. So if you have an official controller like a PlayStation controller, Xbox controller, or a generic one. In order to do this, you will either use a cable or Bluetooth. First, if you want to use a cable, this process couldn't be any simpler. You just plug one end of the cable into the controller and the other one goes into your PC on any of the available USB ports. If you do it through this method, there is no setup required. You just plug it in, go inside of the game, and you change one specific setting that I'm going to showcase, and you are good to go. You can start playing right away. However, if you want to use it wirelessly, then most likely you will have to do it through Bluetooth. Some controllers will include a USB receiver or dongle, and that also works. You just plug it into your PC. But if you have an Xbox or PlayStation controller, then you will be doing this primarily through Bluetooth. For PlayStation controllers, you press the PlayStation button and the share button simultaneously. Then you enable Bluetooth on your PC and you choose your controller from the list. It is going to appear here under devices, and once you select it, it will be usable inside of any game. For Xbox controllers, they have a button dedicated to setting up the controller here at the top, and the process is the same after you press it down. And like I said before, if you have a different generic controller, then most likely you will use a USB receiver or Bluetooth as well. Check the manual if you aren't sure on how to set up your controller. Now, inside of the game, go over to the settings, go into the controller category, and just make sure that aiming input device has been changed from mouse to controller. And as soon as you choose controller here in the settings, it will be used when you go inside of a game. You can navigate through all of the menus and so on. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.